Buongiorno. Buongiorno a te.
Today we went to see Lucia and Totò, who tell us the story of Castrenzio, the wild doctor, who treated people and animals. Listen, what remedy there was for words.
E capito, ci serve una specie di preghiera. La metteva sotto terra, quando non bussava chilo, ci cadeva un.
Castrenzio would pass a barley grain on the wort. Then he would recite a prayer. Then it was watered every day and was checked if it went so. When the seed was dry and disappeared, the wort also disappeared.
Ma cos'era?
Mio frate aveva, come si chiamava?
My brother had a psoriasis in his arm, and one day he met Castrenzio, who said to him, "What do you have?" I say strange in the face, and my brother told him he had burning red arms from itching.
Mi scurassi che era pomata, mi abbagano e poi mi vuotano. Ma è solo babbo, dice, la cosa più facile del mondo.
You are a fool. It is the easiest thing in the world to cure, said Castrenzio. And what shall I do? My brother said. At midnight, in order not to make people understand anything, go with the mules to the watering hole and get naked and immerse yourself in the water.
You have to say that in the watering hole there were two faucets, one with rainwater and one that came out of the spring water. And it was the spring water that cured.
He really won that battle. He went there 2-3 times, he undressed and immersed himself, and everything went away.
Mrs. Lucia, tell us how they treated children's worms.
E poi ci mettevano anche l'aglio nel sederino e ci uscivano.
He would put the garlic in the little behind and the worms will come out. And he pulled them with a crochet hook. Mamma mia, what a pain! But these ancient remedies worked. Listen to this other story.
Passò uno che è stato domenica
I had hemorrhoids, and I was going to get operated. A friend of mine passed by, and we started talking. At one point he said to me, "Why do you move like this? You know I have hemorrhoids. You are a fool, it's the easiest thing in the world. Come to my house, and I will give you a herb to cure it. Boil it, throw the boiling water in a bowl, and sit on it until you resist the heat."
Suonavo una sedia, ci messo un capo, l'acqua bollente e io mi settavo capo. Quando tu ti assusi il capo non ti bruci.
Ci metteva una cosa tutto attorno alla sedia e tutto se ne andava.
I would put something around the chair and everything would go away. And sure, it was cured. In ancient times, these were the remedies that were used in Sicily as in the rest of the world. Sicilian folk medicine is one of the most fascinating chapters of the culture of this people, being mixed with Greek, Roman, Arab, Norman, and Aragonese influences. If you want to know more about how the Sicilians treated their diseases, send an email to our culture department and our wild doctor will give you the perfect recipe.
A contare la mamma a bene Cristo a portarmi su.